Hello students, I am Prashant Nikam. In this video, we are going to learn multiplication of decimal. In a previous video, we have learnt the first situation, that is multiplication of decimals by the numbers like 10, 100, 1000, etc. Now in this video, we are going to learn second situation, that is multiplication of decimal by a whole number. See here, suppose we are multiplying a decimal number with whole number, then we have to follow certain rules. What are that rules? Rule number 1, multiply the decimal without the decimal point by the given whole number. Means we have to ignore the decimal point from that decimal number and we have to multiply as usual with the given whole number. Then second rule, mark the decimal point in the product to have as many places of decimals as are there in the given decimal. Its meaning is that after multiplying the two numbers, we have to give the decimal places as much as there are in the decimal numbers. If there are two decimal places in that given decimal number, then there should be two decimal places in the product. Let's see some example. Here we have to multiply 2.4 with 6. Here one number is decimal number, another number is whole number. So as per first rule, we have to ignore the decimal point from the decimal number and then we have to multiply with the given whole number as usual. 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 6 2s are 12 and 12 plus 2, 14. So the product of this 24 and 6 is 144. Then as per the second rule, we have to check how many decimal places are there in decimal number. In this case, there is one decimal place. Therefore, in the product of these two number also, there should be one decimal place. So we have to give point here after one digit from the right hand side. So the answer is 14.4. Next, see one more question. 3.25 multiplied by 12. So as per the first rule, we have to ignore the decimal point from the decimal number and we have to multiply with the whole number as usual. Let's multiply 325 with 12. 325 multiplied by 2 is 650 and 325 multiplied by 1 is 325. So the product of these two numbers is 0, 0, carry 1, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 3. So the product of 325 and 12 is 3900. So first I will write here 3900. Then as per the second rule, I will check how many decimal places are there in the decimal number. In this case, there are two decimal places. So we have to adjust the two decimal places in this product. So the answer is 39.00 or simply you can write as a 39. Now let's see some questions from R.D. Sharma exercise 3.2. See here question number 4, find the product. In this case there is one decimal number and another is whole number. So let's find the product of these two numbers. As per the first rule, I will ignore the decimal point from the given decimal number and then I will multiply with the whole number as usual. 7 4s are 28, carry 2, 7 3s are 21, plus 2 is 23, then 34 1s are 34. So the product of these two numbers is 8 plus 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5. The product is 578. So I will write here the product as 578 and then as per the second rule, I will check how many decimal places are there in the given decimal number. Here is only one decimal place, so I will adjust the decimal point here. So the answer is 57.8. Now let's see one more question. 0.745 into 12. Multiply the decimal number. Ignore the decimal point. You will get the number as 745. Then multiply with 12. 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 4 2s are 8, plus 1, 9, 7 2s are 14. Then 745 multiplied by 1 is nothing but 745. 0, 9 plus 5 is 14, carry 1, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1, 9, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So the product is 8940. I will write here first the product which is 8940. Then see how many decimal places are there. There are 3 decimal places. So adjust the decimal point after after 3 digits from the right hand side, 1 2 3. So the answer is 8.940, or simply you can write 8.94. Thank you, students.